In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new contact in Microsoft Outlook. We'll start from your Outlook inbox. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand vertical menu and click the People icon. This takes you away from your email view and into the Contacts area where you can create and manage saved contact details. In the top left corner, click New Contact. A contact form will open and this is where you'll enter the person's information. Begin by clicking into the first name field and typing the person's first name. Then click into the last name field and enter their last name. Adding both names clearly helps keep your contact list organized and makes it easier to search for the person later. Next, click into the work email field and type their work email address. After that, click into the work phone field and add their work phone number. These are some of the most useful details to save, especially if you'll be emailing or calling this person regularly through Outlook. Now move to the left-hand column in the contact form and click Work. In this section, you can add more professional details about the contact. Enter information such as their company, job title, department, work location, and company name pronunciation. This section is helpful if you want a more complete professional profile for the person, especially in a business setting. After that, click Address. Here, add their location details such as street address, city, region, and any other available address information. Filling this in can be useful if you need mailing details or simply want a more complete record. Next, click Other. In this area, you can include additional information like the person's birthday or anniversary, if applicable. These details are optional, but they can be helpful if you want Outlook to store more personal or important date-related information for that contact. Then click Notes. This section gives you space to add any extra notes you may need. For example, you might include context about how you know the person or any useful reminder related to your communication with them. Keep your notes clear and brief so they're easy to review later. Once you've finished entering everything you want to save, go to the bottom right corner and click Save. Your new contact will now be added to Outlook and stored in your contact list for future use. That's all it takes to create a new contact in Microsoft Outlook. If you keep your contact details updated and complete, it becomes much easier to manage communication and stay organized.